Hi everyone, this is Jasper from ConeMac. In this video, I will introduce
Dongfeng Cummins QSC8.3 engine project for replacing Komatsu SAA6D114E engine used in Komatsu PC300-7 and PC350-7 machines, which was delivered in November 2023.
Dongfeng Cummins QSC8.3 engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine
with a displacement of 8.3 liters. The overall dimensions are approximately 1,625 mm by 790 mm by 1,265 mm. The net weight is about 637 kg. Dongfeng Cummins QSC8.3 industrial engine is equipped with Bosch high-pressure common rail fuel system, turbocharger, and air-air intercooler. The emission standard is Euro Stage III. The rated power is 260 horsepower at 1,900 RPM, and the full load fuel consumption is about 22 liters per hour.
This is the replacement project.
The original Komatsu SAA6D114E engine used on Komatsu PC300-7 and PC350-7 machines is produced in Japan. ConeMac has custom developed the QSC8.3 engine to replace the original Japan-made Komatsu SAA6D114E without any additional modifications.
Based on customer's original engine serial number,
the ConeMac team checked the specifications, performance and detailed BOM list of the original engine, then developed a direct replacement engine based on the Cummins QSC8.3 industrial engine platform. The standard Dongfeng Cummins QSC8.3 industrial engine comes with the following accessories:
fuel pump, flywheel, flywheel housing, wheel system, valve chamber cover, Based on standard DCEC construction engine, ConeMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, engine control panel, air filter, muffler, PTO, transfer case, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, ConeMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as oil pan type, fan position, fan type, dipstick position, flywheel and the flywheel housing size extra. We can also provide explosion-proof modification for oil and gas industry, and we have capability to satisfy most of our customized requirements on our engine and engine power pack.
To fully meet the after-sales engine replacement demands of Komatsu equipment users, ConeMac provides flexible and diversified one-stop solutions. We can supply genuine Komatsu original engines, Cummins China original engines, as well as reliable engines from other qualified Chinese brands, so that customers can choose the most suitable replacement plan according to their budget, usage scenario and maintenance cycle. ConeMac provides one-stop replacement solutions, from replacement plan design, engine supply, installation support to on-site installation. We are a professional solution provider for replacing old engines in various machines including Lathes, Komatsu, The, and Hitachi. A promise is a promise. ConeMac continuously upgrade our product's design and quality standard. We will continuously improving our product quality and service standard to meet the satisfactions for customers from all over the world.
Thank you for your time with us.
Welcome to contact ConeMac at any time. For more details about our company, products and services, please visit our homepage, www.ConeMac.com.